Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you what comes in my Wildflower Flower Fairy Doll Kit. These are available in my Etsy shop. The kit gives you everything you need to make a flower fairy. If you're new to making flower fairies, welcome. You'll want to check out my basic flower fairy tutorials. If you have all of your own supplies, I hope you get some fun ideas from this video. I will be doing another video where I show me using the kit to make some dolls. I'm excited about the different flowers that come in this kit. If you like this, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. It helps me out so much. And without further ado, I will show you what comes in my newest kit. I get so many questions about where to find supplies, and I love the kits because I have done all the work for you. I've put everything together so you can make your own flower fairies. The inspiration for the flowers I picked for this kit is this gorgeous Italian tissue paper. I love it so much. I love all the colors in it. You'll get everything you need for your basic fairy doll: a wooden bead, some floral wire, and some embroidery floss for the skin and the hair. You'll have 3 different choices for the skin tones. I have a light, an olive, and a dark brown black. There's a drop-down menu in Etsy if you're ordering a kit that has 3 fairies. It only lets you choose the first combination. So what you want to do is let me know in the notes what you want for the other 2 dolls. And then the hair colors are a blonde, a black brown, a light brown, and then of course my favorite, auburn. And this is what you see here is everything that would come in the full kit. So I've got my wooden beads, my floral wire, my embroidery floss for the skin and the hair, and tons of flowers. So you're getting 2 daisies, this beautiful fluffy yellow flower I just am madly in love with, and these gorgeous asters in this deep purple, some embroidery floss for the clothing, 3 custom glitter blends, and some sparkly crystals to decorate your dolls with. You also get instructions. All you need to do is hold your phone over the QR code. It will open up a playlist that will give you all the fairy making basics. If you're not tech savvy, you can go to my website, untidyartist.com, or to my YouTube channel and find all of those same tutorials. And I'm always adding more to give you guys different options for fairy making. This is the little packet that has the little crystals in it, and I feel like my camera never does the crystals justice. These are so beautiful. It's this really pale lavender, this deep purple, and then a super sparkly yellow one that I just love. You can either purchase the kit that comes with all 3 flowers, which is my favorite, or you can get the individual flowers for the fairies. So the first one is with beautiful white Gerbera daisies. These are so pretty. And I include 2 flowers for her skirt. It gives you 6 separate layers of the petals, and I think it makes the prettiest skirt. This gorgeous light lavender thread, a glitter blend, and of course our tiny sparkly little crystal. Here is a close-up of the flowers. I really love using 2 flowers because 3 layers of the petals just isn't enough, and this gives you a fluffier, cuter flower fairy skirt. And here's a close-up of that beautiful light lavender embroidery floss. I always use DMC because it's the best quality. And then the glitter blend. Okay, I have so much fun putting these together. This has about 6 different types of glitter in it. It's got some iridescent and some little tiny purple stars, if you look closely, and some little iridescent stars. And here is one of the dolls I've put together. She's got the light skin and the auburn hair. And I just love how she came together. I think she just screams of spring, and I love it. Okay, this flower, you guys, is so fluffy and has so many beautiful layers of petals. I saw it and immediately knew I had to make a flower fairy out of it. You're going to get, of course, the glitter blend, and then you've got the light. It's a very pale yellow thread and your sparkly little crystal. Here is a close-up of the flower. I am lucky enough to have this amazing wholesale place close by where I live, and the second I saw this, I think I bought all of them for the flower fairy kits. So I'm really excited to share this one with you guys. So beautiful. And I love the pale yellow and how it kind of gradually gets darker. Here is a close-up of that thread. It matches beautifully. And then, of course, we have our glitter blend. And this is my favorite glitter blend of this batch because if you look closely, there are tiny little yellow flowers. It's so pretty and so sparkly. Here's one of the fairies I put together using the yellow peony kit. I love how she turned out. This is the dark brown black skin tone with the black brown hair. And I just think she's absolutely stunning. Look at how beautiful that skirt is. The last one is definitely the most unique. I also love this flower. So this is a purple aster. I love this deep plum color. It's so gorgeous. I love the shape of these petals and the texture of this flower. It gives you such a fun, whimsical flower fairy skirt. You've got this beautiful floss that matches it, a custom glitter blend, and then of course we've got our dark purple sparkly little crystal. And here's a close-up of the flowers. Okay, so this kit will include either 2 or 3 flowers. The reason being, I'm going to give you enough petals to have 6 layers of petals for her skirt. I made this tons of different ways. I tried it with 5. It wasn't as cute. So you're getting either 2 flowers that each have 3 layers of petals, or 3 flowers that each have 2 layers of petals. You've got your purple embroidery floss and then your custom glitter blend. And I used a lot of different shapes of glitter in this one. It's got some kind of tinsel shaped glitter. It's beautiful and I love how it catches the light. And this beautiful girl has the light skin tone and the light brown hair. And look at how fun that skirt is. I think it just makes the most whimsical little flower fairy skirt. And that's it, guys. That is my new Wildflower Flower Fairy kit. My goal with my kits is to give you the supplies you need to make fairies, or if you have your own supplies, to hopefully inspire you and give you some ideas. I'd love to know in the comments below what you think. I also have a spring kit I came out with a few weeks ago. The link to my Etsy shop is linked below. And if you have any tutorials you'd like to see to help you make your fairies better, please let me know. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for your support and all of your kind words, and we'll see you next time.